John, we recently met Kangna, who was of the opinion that actors should take a political stand and should make a political commentary because they are considered role models in society. What are your views on that, taking it further? Do you feel actors and stars and film stars are obligated to make a political commentary happening in the country?
Yeah, if they're politically aware, and I think Kangana definitely is, and she's got a voice, and I think you must take a stand if you're politically aware, but you shouldn't be, like I say, stupidly talented. You know what I'm saying? You cannot be an idiot who doesn't know anything about which country lies where, what's happening in. If you don't know what's happening in Bihar to Syria, then you should just shut up and smile and show your mug that you've done so much work on. Don't talk. Right? So I think unless you're aware about what's happening, then only make a statement. If you're not aware, don't make a statement. I think everybody here sitting who's made this film on this bench here, everybody is, in my view, and I've spoken to everyone here, we are all very politically aware. We understand what's happening. Of course, Kashmir mein humne kafi shoot kara hai is film ko. So we know what is happening there, and we know what the grassroots and the ground root problems are there. So we understand what's really happening there. So when you know a situation, you can make a statement. But again, making a statement at the right time is important, not making a statement for effect, not making a statement to trend. So I am not in the business of trending. I don't want to trend. It's good to show a good film, educate your audience, and let's move on with life.
Thank you.
John, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you to the entire, to the studio, Viacom, Ajit, and the entire team, Kaita, Ajay, and of course Red Eyes, Gary and Robbie. Robbie is also our producer, VA, Vanessa, and Bunty. Thank you so much for really standing by this film. I think it's a fantastic script. The one person we are missing here right now is Jackie sir. We really miss him here because he's such an important part of the film. And of course, we've got a great cast. Moni's fantastic. Sikandar's done a fantastic job, and it's great to be here. Of course, the hero of the film is the subject.
Moni, what do you have to say?
I just feel very fortunate to be standing here today, and well, it's Mahashivratri, so it's a very auspicious day, and
Yes.
I hope it brings this film, us and all of you, lots of love and lots of luck and happiness. Having said that, it's a very relevant film, and I am glad that it was made, and you just saw the trailer, but I must tell you, him and Jackie, everybody is just too brilliant, and I feel very fortunate and lucky to be a part of it.
Thank you so much, Moni. Sikandar bhai.
Yeah, मैं बहुत खुशनसीब हूँ कि मैं इनके साथ काम कर पाया. Especially, I mean, with John, it was just beautiful working with him. मेरे ज़्यादातर काम इनके साथ ही था. जगू दादा के साथ ज़्यादा काम नहीं कर पाया. Though we are missing him today a lot. बहुत मिस करते तो उनकी तरफ से मैं एक बिड़ू बोलता हूँ. क्या बोलते हो बिड़ू? But हाँ, John के साथ काम करने में बहुत मजा आया. It was just very fortunate to be able to work with a leading man. He's definitely a star, but a leading man who is
very
so
humble and really, really nice.
and so, yeah, he's such a giving person for an actor. For me, though, it's like, I mean, I got a chance from Bunty, who's a very old dear friend of mine, and Robbie, who also trusted me with that role.
I was just coming there.
You know, who's sitting here with a cap. But when you're working with such a big star, and he doesn't make you feel like that at all. He's just a super friend. I'm just very fortunate to actually, as Moni said, just to be standing here with him. And actually getting photographs clicked in the same frame with him. So I think that's just really cool, honestly.
We're forgetting a very, very important man. I must add a few lines about Robbie sir. He's been the captain of the ship and kept it going and held it together for all those tedious months. And actually, Robbie sir and John, they've worked I think the hardest on this project. So. Along with the crew, obviously.
So let's call the captain of the ship, Robbie Grewal, on stage. Let me also call Mr. Gary, Vanessa, and Ajay on stage. And media, if you have any questions regarding the trailer, regarding the film. Let me also call Mr. Ajit on stage. Media, any questions regarding the trailer, regarding the movie, John ka character? Any questions you feel free to ask. पहले photo ले लो. Can we have a mic for?
Hi. Hello.
Well, we've been, without sounding opportunistic about this, we've planned this film, I think, more than a year in advance. It's unfortunate these incidents have happened today, but I think in the current ecosystem, it resonates with what is happening in the country.
John sir, John ji idhar, is side.
Yeah, I think Robbie is better equipped to answer that question. Robbie?
So honestly, it's topical today. It is, but the idea was never when we began the film about a year back to do anything with what's going to happen later. So it's a story of a spy, a man who's picked up and sent to Pakistan. So and one thing I must add to the point is that we are not trying. It's not a story of good versus bad. It is not a story where other side is bad and we are good and we emerge victorious. It's a journey of a spy, and it also reflects in the historical significance of what happened in 71. So we're very true to what happened in 71, which also resonates today, which is great for us in terms of the mood that there is. But we never intended to do it like that. It was not meant to come on a day where it becomes so topical that it connects more. So yeah.
Yeah, John.
Mr. Robbie, hello.
मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये कि लेकिन ये फिल्म बाकी फिल्मों से कितना अलग है और आपको इसे करने में कितना
Can you repeat the question?
हेलो हाँ ये इस तरीके की बहुत सारी फिल्में सालों साल आती हैं और अच्छी भी होती हैं, लेकिन ये फिल्म बाकी सभी फिल्मों से कितनी अलग है और आपको इसे करने में कितनी मुश्किलें आई?
नहीं, अलग है इसलिए मैंने की ये फिल्म. तो नहीं, आई एम आंसरिंग योर क्वेश्चन क्योंकि अलग है, एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी कंपेलिंग स्क्रिप्ट. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग स्क्रिप्ट था ये, एंड व्हेन आई हर्ड इट द फर्स्ट टाइम ओनली आई वांटेड टू डू इट. सो दैट्स आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. मैं ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ कि आप लोग भी देखें इसको, and you all will understand where we are coming from. It's a very, very special film. Robbie ने जो research की इस film पे is absolutely commendable और बहुत ही credible research. और आज के तारीख में research बिना अगर आप इतने sensitive topic पे आप film बना रहे हो, there's a big sense of responsibility on you. So you have to be very sure about what you're talking about. So it's a fantastic film, very different. Please watch it.
And John. Hello.
जैसे हमने पहले भी कहा था कि we didn't plan this film around what has happened today. ये काफ़ी टाइम से हम लोग प्लानिंग कर रहे थे. Unfortunately, these incidents have happened. और मेरे हिसाब से I think this is the right time for a film like this to be shown to India. नहीं, वैसे तो काफ़ी producers कुछ ना कुछ तो करेंगे इसके बारे में.
ऑलरेडी आ चुका है आज पेपरों में जो बना रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
हाँ, बंसाली जी और वो सब कर रहे हैं ना आज पेपर.
अच्छा कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, पूरा लिस्ट आ गया ऑलरेडी. लिस्ट आ गया. They've all come together.
सिकंदर साहब.
John.
काफी हैं, तीन चार लोगों ने आज पहली बार मिले हैं शायद, वो भी साथ में बनाने.
No, I don't think so. I don't think that's you can generalize, and I'm not going to generalize like that. Because I think there's a place for all kinds of films. Total Dhamal भी चली है, for example. So I think there's a place for all kinds of films. और हर एक फिल्म को हमें respect देना चाहिए. हर एक फिल्म के लिए एक space होता है, एक audience होती है. So I think this is our film. We have made it with a lot of pride, and it doesn't mean that if we made one film on history, we'll make all films on history. But yes, अगर आप पूछोगे does history excite me as a person and the team here? Yes, it does. क्योंकि if you see what I've done in the past also, it has to do something with the history, and I enjoy that space.
John, hi, towards your right. John, hi. This is Priyanka. Hi, John. This is Priyanka from Indian Express. John, there's a surge in the number of films that are made on patriotism or the nationalistic sentiment in the last 5 years. Do you think that it's also because that the sentiment in the country is such that Bollywood is also looking to, cash in on that emotion and turn out such films?
Why cash in? High time, no? Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, go, John.
Mr. John.
John, your opinion.
No, I think I think the sentiment in the country is today there's a sense of feeling proud to be Indian. And I think, like they say, this is the new India. And if you make films on this, let's look at Hollywood. If Hollywood makes fantastic war films and they glorify their soldiers, why can't we? So I think it's a great time for India. It's a great time for us, and it's a great time for the audience. And it's studios like Kaita, VA Films, Red Ice, and of course Viacom. They're backing us. It shows their faith in this kind of content, and we'd be happy to project things that are different and enjoyable for the audience.
Mr. Rovi,
John,
my question to you,
John,
director साहब, my question to you is, अभी हाल ही में पुलवामा जो इंसिडेंट हुआ है, आप अपनी फिल्म के जरिए पब्लिक को कैसे टेम्प्ट करेंगे या आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे आपकी फिल्म के जरिए?
जी, पब्लिक को टेम्प्ट तो बिल्कुल नहीं कुछ करेंगे. The film is about being proud as an Indian, feeling proud. हमारा attempt यही है. It's very unfortunate पुलवामा में जो हुआ, but simple हमारा message है फिल्म में कि जो गर्व होता है हिंदुस्तानी होने में हम वो दिखा रहे हैं फिल्म में. So that's the emotion, that's the main emotion that we run in the film. और पुलवामा से मैं कनेक्ट नहीं करना चाहूँगा. बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है जो हुआ. तो जैसे जॉन ने पहले बोला, हमने ये सोच के नहीं बनाई थी कि ऐसा मूड होगा और हम उसको इनकैश करेंगे. दैट्स बीइंग वेरी अपॉर्चुनिस्ट. वो नहीं है. हमारा रिलीज पहले से प्लान था. बीन वर्किंग फॉर ईयर एंड हाफ ऑन द फिल्म. सो द मैसेज इज वेरी सिंपल. आई मीन द प्राइड दैट वन फील्स बीइंग एन इंडियन, दैट्स द प्राइड आई वांट टू शो इन द फिल्म.
John, you're playing.
Sorry, whose question was tempt? Tempt किसने कहा? No, you have to be very careful with the way you ask questions. You have a responsibility. No. I don't agree with the way you've asked this question. So, yeah. So you have to apologize to everyone.